Hello mga beshi! You can call me Ate Ashi. This is my first video here in YouTube. Kaya please, like and subscribe. For today's video, maglalaro tayo ng Escape Dungeon Obby. Kaya samahan niyo ako! Let's go! Punta tayo dito. Hi, I'm Henry. Hi, I'm Henry. Let's escape while the guard is sleeping. Sorry niya parang oink eh. Oink, oink. Ay, na-deads pa nga. Easy na nga yun. Ayaw ko. Let's go. Whee! Buti na lang hindi na-deads. Ay, nahulog pa nga. Look, this area is under construction. Be careful not to fall into the lava. Okay. Okay. We will respawn naman. We will respawn. Let's go. Hello, madam people, mabuhay. Hala, ang haba ng pangalan. Pi. Pam piu eh. Gunshot. This trap looks deadly. Time your movements carefully. Mali spelling mo, boy. Dito na lang tayo. Ay! This no. No. Ulit na. Ay, bakit walang face? Dito tayo. Ay, muntikan na ako doon Bilis naman. Ay, muntik na ako doon. Kita ko pa din text niya, Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Respawn. Huwag tayo mag-step dyan. Shortcut. Oops. Shortcut. No! Deads pa nga. Ang deads pa nga. Shortcut dito. Shortcut. Dito naman. Ay. Work harder. Fine, dito na lang. Ay. Sorry. Dito tayo baka makagat. Let's go! Finally! Looks like we can only go down. Okay. You mean ganito? Ay, deads pala. Ano pala? Pupunta tayo dun sa kahon. Yan. Pupunta dito. Kaya ko na to. Look mo. Diba? I'm such a pro. No, thank you. Watch out. I hear traps in the distance. Traps, you hear? Ay! Bawal ba hawakin ito? Ay! Totoo nga siya. Kala ko kasi madededge ka instantly. Okay, so wag tayo pipindot nito. Okay, let's not touch that. Wee. Finally. Ay, bawal ba hawakin? Ay, pwede pala. Pwede na pala. Let's go! Ano yan? What is that? Is that a brick? Let's just not touch that. Baka makakamatay si Kay. Pwede naman ako mag-shortcut dito. Ay! Kala ko may ano eh. Mag-shortcut tuloy. Oops! Muntik na ako dun ah. Let's go! Try nga natin. Hala! Ano ba yan? Hinawakan ko pa. Nagtuloy, mag-work ako harder. Phew. Jump. Matay pa nga. Ayoko! Huwag mo ako bigyan ng pistol. I don't like that. I have no Robux. What if meron akong plan dito? I have a plan. I don't think makakaabot tayo dyan. Kaso I think lang may... Ay! Bro. Plus one step. Yay! Naka-escape ako. Holy hell. Mga kamay ba to? Mga kamay na. That doesn't look like a hand. Hala. What is that face? Oh, it's my ears. Alright, my ears. Joke lang. Looks like we made it to some strange tempo. Use the speed pad to run faster. Okay. Whee! Ay! Ay, muntik ka na ako doon. Ay. Let's go ulit na naman. Whee! 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 That's a long jump. Whee! Lapit na lang one step. Muntik ka na ako doon. Lapit na nga. Dito na ako doon. Let's go. Ay, bakit nawala yung ano? Ba yan? Naubos. My ears na naman. Naka-high volume na. Naka-high volume ako eh. The floor looks like a poisonous. And pig blood. I don't think I can survive. Let's go. We need to lower the bridge. Find the lever. Bro, bulag ka ba? Nandito na ang lever eh. You just need to go upstairs. Let's go. I think mag-isa din tong close. Ito pala. That's so realistic, dragon. It will take some time. Let's just teleport. Yay! Let's go! Wee! Yippee! Found! Checkpoint pala. It's still the same, right? I wonder what will happen. Let's go to this hole. Meron na pumunta siguro. Let's go down, boy. Hala! It's so fun! It's so fun! Ay! No! Stuck ako! Ay, buti na lang. Salamar. I think this is the work of that dragon. That looks like rock lava. I'm gonna step on your head. What is that? Ay. Yeah! Finally, I got revenge. Let's go upstairs. No. You won't see it. What does she say? We won't able to get past the dragon unless we go to... Ha? Crazy, right? Yeah, I don't care. Ha? Bakit ganyan yung mukha ng dragon? Parang patay. Ay! Nose pala yan. Kala ko ano mukha. Ay, bakit? Eyeless. Eyeless tuloy. Kala ko ito yung blush eh. Ito. Kala ko ito yung ano cheeks niya. Ito pala yung eyes niya. Doon. Malian ako. Too many teeth. Let me... What the hell? Like, who would go to inside the dragon's... Ah! Ouch! Let's try again. Wee! No! No! Yeah. Ulit na lang tayo. Sorry for the cringy noise. No, stop, no! Maybe this would work. No! What the hell? Parang nasa... Hindi naman ganito yung dragon eh. Dragon parang stick lang. At yung loob niya ganito. What the hell? Let's see. Ha? Mga titan siguro itong kinain ng na to. Tayo maliit lang, no? Hindi natin kasi yung school. What the hell? Skull pala. School tuloy. Skull. I don't want to buy a butterfly pack. Never mind. Where's their body? And bakit puro skull? Skull. Why the hell? What? Why is there green poisonous? What is this dragon must be poisoned by some, I don't know, scientific person, I think. And he looks like parang sarap pinhawakan eh. Look mo. I think this is the butt of the nasitamin na tayo siguro dito. Ay, kakatapos lang. Ibig sabihin palabas na tayo. Ayoko makita. Mga... Three steps to go. 1, 2. Ay, 2 step pala. Oh no. Is that the butt? Whee! Lumabas na tayo. Paano tayo Look mo. Parang gumanito lang tayo. Yeah. Parang tayo eh. What is... This ladder will take us out of this place. Yeah, good. That's good. Let's go up to the ladder. It's taking too long. I get. Finally! I need some water. Foggy dito sa baba. I really not close. Sabi niya maka-take us out dito. Ibig sabihin, ipa-fly out. Ay, saan na yung dito? Hello, guys. I won't jump ever again. Ah! No! No! Pew. I just survived like the last one. Let's go to the pool. Tingnan ko lang kung may mga enemies. Wala pala. Way out. That even not hurt me. Joke lang. I could see the dragon's face. I'm gonna be honest. Yung napuntahan natin ay parang black, di ba? Parang ano lang to. Parang nakapunta lang para naman sinampak siya ng hundreds of titans. Look mo naman body niya. Parang pimples na malalaki. Yeah, pimples na malalaki. It's taking so long. I'm gonna skip this, guys. Let's go na second. Finally, nakaano na. Yippee! Yes! We made it! I was struggling even though I'm in Roblox. Use the power up to find the secret badge. What do you wear? Wow! Kailangan natin makuha yung secret badge. What the hell is that? Let's go! Wait! Wait! Ay! Kala ko ano to. Ay, no! No! Sorry guys, that's all for today at hindi ko makita yung secret badge but that is okay. And sorry for praising you. Bye bye!